Hello Designista, welcome to Inclusive Fashion. I'm Rose and today I'm very excited to share with you the 5 essential fashion books that you must read. I use these 5 fashion books all the time while I was in a fashion design school. These books are very essential for you who want to go to school in the United States to become a fashion designer. Again, I share with you these fashion books because I used them all the time while I was in the fashion school. These 5 books are books number 1 is called Sewing for Apparel Industry and Pattern for Sewing for the Apparel Industry package. This book is all about sewing and the overview in the sewing industry. The book provides you with many sewing vocabularies as well as tips and tricks on how to sew. The book also explains in detail how the fabric works for a certain style of the garment. Book number 2 is called Fashion Sketchbook, 6th edition by Evelyn Bina. I love her books. I use her books all the time. And this book is all about drawing fashion croquis as well as drawing clothes. The book provides you with step-by-step on how to draw fashion flag to a stylized fashion croquis. It's also provide you with many tips and tricks about fashion drawings. Book number 3 is called The Fashion Sketchpad, 420 figure templates for designing looks and building your portfolios. This book is exactly what that means. It's like nothing but many fashion figure poses in there, and they're very useful. You can find so many mood and so many poses from front pose, side view, and back view. It's amazing. On top of that, the book itself is not that expensive. If you just want to use those fashion templates for fashion design style, you just buy this book. And again, I have the links below for you guys, so you guys can just click on the links and get to the books that I demonstrate for you guys right now. Number 4. Book number 4 is called Pattern Making for Fashion Design, 5th edition. This pattern making book is all about making clothes pattern. The book provides you step by step from how to dress a basic pattern to draft an advanced pattern. These are include on how to draft a basic skirt, a basic top, and a dress pant. Again, it is really useful, guys. When I in school, that's the book that I go to when it's come to a pattern exam or how to draft any pattern for the classroom. I love that book. Finally, book number 5. The book number 5 is called The Fairchild Dictionary of Fashion, 3rd edition. This book is all about clothing definition as well as the fashion vocabularies which fashion design students must know. I mean, when you understand the term and the definition of each garment, make you feel a little more like confident about fashion. And I recommend you guys get that book. And believe it or not, I still use that book until today. So this book is well written, and the book has so many useful fashion terms which were essential to everyday usage. I recommend you guys should check these books out, and I have the links below. Thanks so much for watching Designistas. Please like and subscribe for more awesome videos. I hope you find this video is useful. I'm Rose, and you can design anything.